Beautiful paper roses, easy to make. Want to make lovely paper roses? It's super easy. You can make them with things you have at home. These roses look so real, and they're fun to craft. Imagine the colorful roses you'll create. They're perfect for gifts, decorations, or just to brighten your day. Let's get started and make some beautiful paper roses together. Are you ready to begin this fun project? Before we start, let's gather what we need. Don't worry, you probably have most of these things at home already. You will need colorful paper, pick your favorite colors, a pencil for tracing and drawing, scissors, choose a sharp pair for best results, a drinking glass, this will be our shaping tool, and glue, any craft glue will do. Now that we have everything, let's move on to the fun part, making the roses. Let's make our paper roses. Follow these easy steps. Draw a spiral. On your colorful paper, lightly draw a spiral with your pencil. It doesn't have to be perfect, just like a snail's shell. Next, cut it out. Carefully cut along the line of your spiral with your scissors. Now you have a long, curly strip of paper. Then, wrap it around. Starting from the outside end of your spiral, carefully wrap it around the bottom of your drinking glass. Keep wrapping until you reach the center of the spiral. Finally, glue it in place. Put a dab of glue at the very center of your spiral and press it firmly onto the bottom of the glass. Hold it for a few seconds to make sure it sticks. Congratulations, you've made a paper rose. Look at your beautiful paper roses. They're so pretty and colorful. Now you can use them to decorate anything. Make a bouquet. Glue your roses to sticks and put them in a vase. Decorate gifts. Add a rose to a present for a handmade touch. Make a garland. String your roses together with thread for a party decoration. Have fun creating beautiful things with your paper roses.